Welcome man to Alphamantrianing.com. I'm coming to you from Vilnius. I just stuck in traffic jam, and I'm very excited. A new product is coming out. Is like we had a client who was 53 years old, like very short, 5'7" feet. And we made him total alpha male, and you will be able to see his transformation. When he came to Alphamantrianing, he dressed not right clothes to approach women. His haircut was wrong, and the way he was about his sexuality also was wrong. And he couldn't understand why he cannot attract females. And we like when we saw him instantly, we seen where we need to fix him. And quickly, like on second day, he met an amazing Russian girl. He met here in city center of Vilnius. Vilnius is a Baltic country, neighbors Latvia, Poland, Russia. It is in Europe. So he met that Russian girl, and he did all the techniques, like all dancing techniques, all seduction techniques, all talking with her, everything he did. And we were so amazed how he quickly implemented all techniques what we trained him. So we were so happy. A client couldn't believe, like, first girl which he approached, she was like really like he have seduced her. And a girl was 29 years old. For client was 53 years old, but we made him look like 37 years old. So that girl was perfect for him. And first girl which he approached, and he was happy with that. So just imagine how quickly we train men how to seduce women. And that's it. After that, happened other stuff. And so what you need to do is like to wait that product. Is a link below. Click, find that product. 53 years old, short man, 5.7 feet, mentor alpha male transformation. And watch, just take a look to photos, take a look to videos. And if you look similar to him, if for example, for you is like 40 or like 60 years old, who knows, maybe you 55 or you 45 or maybe 60 years old, you can change. With the right training, you can look younger and can attract young females. I know that for you it's really hard, you're not attracted to your age of women. It's okay. We can make you total alpha male. You can approach any female you want and attract young girls. You just need right training. So look, if you look similar to him, if you may be also short and your age is 55 years old, buy his transformation. Never afraid. Invest. Thank you for watching.